Are you gonna bang my head against the wall again? He always stops when I turn the camera on. Every time. Beckett! Beckett!
Look.
Ow!
Oh, mommy.
Ow!
Go get her.
Ow!
That is crazy. Here.
No, you keep recording. Ah! Why are you so funny?
What you doing, boy? Huh?
What if I smash your head into the wall? It wouldn't be very funny, would it? You gonna do it again? Can you do it to your head?
I think somebody's had too much to drink.
Alright, you can stop recording now.
How do you stop it?
Just press the red button.